Sellers, are you constantly asking yourself the following questions about today's housing market? What if I sell now with these higher mortgage rates? Or what if I sell now but can't find a replacement home? Will I regret selling so soon or regret not selling soon enough? In a housing market full of twists and turns, these are valid and concerning questions. But keep watching and let's unpack these questions together. Hi, I'm Carrie Tanner, Realtor with Coastal Realty. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my monthly real estate market series, which lets you know what's happening both locally and nationally. But for now, let's get those questions answered. I think we can all agree that 2023 was a turbulent year for real estate, with high mortgage rates and low inventory, making sellers uncertain about listing their property. But did you know that now could be the perfect time for you to list your home? Well, let's start by addressing the big question. What if I sell now with these higher mortgage rates? It's true, rates have climbed from what we've seen over the past few years. But remember, so have home prices. If you've owned your home for more than 3 years, you've probably built up significant equity in your current home. Selling your home now could be financially beneficial. You could use this equity to pay off debt like credit cards or car loans, putting you in a stronger financial position. Yes, you might move to a higher mortgage rate, but with less debt overall, your financial situation could still be better off. You could also use some of the equity from your current home to buy down the rate for your new home. Now, let's talk about finding a replacement home. This is a valid concern, especially with the market being as tight as it is in today's market. But remember, less competition also means that you're more likely to get a fair price on your current home, and with the low inventory, the ability to negotiate terms that will work in your favor. Also, having your offer accepted with a contingency of selling your current home will be easier with less buyer competition. It's all about timing and strategy. Now on to the big one. Will I regret selling too soon or not selling soon enough? This boils down to the balancing of FOMO, the fear of missing out, with the fear of jumping too soon. Yes, the market is uncertain and we don't have a crystal ball to rely on, but if your current home no longer fits your needs or lifestyle, or the financial benefits align with your future goals, it may be the perfect time to make that move. Don't let the comfort of a low mortgage rate hold you back from pursuing your dream home or making a necessary move that's good for your specific situation. It's not just about the rate. Think about the overall quality of life and financial health you're trying to accomplish. Now, I understand that every situation is different, but if you would like to have a conversation about how I can come up with a game plan on how you can successfully navigate through this market, give me a call and we can schedule a free, no obligation, no pressure conversation about your specific needs and situation. And remember, knowledge is power in real estate. So be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can not only follow the real estate market, but stay ahead of the market. Thanks for watching. I'm Carrie Tanner, the key to unlocking your real estate dreams.